My name is Ellen, and I am from Montgomery. My project is called Whack-A-Mole. The goal is to identify 4 moles and push them out of the ring. To do this, I used a color sensor to trace the line around the circle. I also used a distance sensor, so when it detected the mole, it would push them out of the ring. I worked on this project for 3 days. A project that I encountered was that I didn't push the mole all the way out. To solve this, I used a distance sensor to calculate how far the mole was, so I could create a specific code to push them out. Another problem that I encountered was that the wires got in the way of the wheels and it made it hard to move, so I added extensions to the robot so that the wheels can move freely.